Well, I'm a big popcorn eater and peanuts and stuff, and sometimes I get to the kernels and I crack my teeth, crack very easily. I was in pain. I was recommended highly from a family member to see Dr. Urbanski. We made the appointment. Office got me in and worked around my work schedule right away. I met with Dr. Urbanski. She proceeded to examine me, and that's when we had made a choice to do a dental implant.
So for Mark, because he kept breaking teeth, and the first time I saw him, he had broken 2 right in a row, a bridge would not have been a good option. So using the fixed dental implants, that provided the best dental option for Mark.
When I first had my first dental implant, I really didn't even know what one was. Dr. Urbanski explained everything thoroughly to me. She examined. We chose a path to have a dental implant done, which we did, and it's been great ever since. There was no pain, did everything the doctor said.
Since Mark's had the implants, he has enjoyed a full dentition of teeth. He's able to chew everything he wants, and he's happy.
Yeah, since I've had my dental implants, and I've had many by Dr. Urbanski, you don't even know you have them in there. I mean, immediately you get used to it and you don't even know that they're implants. I feel they're my teeth. Yeah, I feel the best way to go if you need a dental implant, I would not hesitate. I would definitely recommend Dr. Urbanski to anybody I know without hesitation. It is a simple procedure. To me, basically, it was pain-free. Everything is explained. It is the way to go. I wouldn't do it any other way.